Today we're here helping out the Salvation Army, pretty good cause. We're putting in a 6-camera CCTV system. The poor old Salvos have had a bit of trouble with some break-ins, people doing the wrong thing by them, which is a bit ordinary. So we're putting in 6 cameras. What we're doing here at the moment is trying to get down through the roof and down an internal wall, which is a bit of fun. We're going to drill the top plate, drill the noggin out, get our cables in, but we're over the top of it now. And then behind us, we've got a 160-year-old bluestone church. In a minute, we're going to try and get through some of those bluestones. But between today and tomorrow, we should have it all knocked out, and these guys will have a bit of peace of mind.
We're about to put some cameras, so we've got to a stage here, we've run some cables through. As Ian said earlier, we've come up through the walls, underneath the ceiling, underneath the tin I should say. We're now going to put some cameras up. So we're going to use some specialised mounts as well, just to bring the camera a bit out from the wall. So there's a mount that'll come off the wall. Obviously the camera then attaches to that. So we're trying to get an angle that we normally wouldn't try and get off the wall, so we're trying to get it so we can see down a gate, to basically protect where the tool shed is. So.
Empires rose and fell while she smiled.